In this video, I will show you how to simply fix the problem of password compromise in your Chrome browser, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11 or Mac. Consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to fix password compromise on your Chrome browser. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to open up your Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, make sure you log into the Chrome browser with a particular Google account that you want to check on some of the safe password and see which one of them is compromised in your password manager. So for that, after you have successfully logged in, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here, click on Google Apps. Then you want to make sure you scroll down right here and then go ahead and make sure you navigate to password manager right here. And it's going to take you right here. So what you need to do right here at this point here, you just want to make sure you go to password check right here, and boom, it's going to give you the result right here. Based on our information, none of your safe password are compromised. To update your result, run password check in Chrome or in the Android password manager, and you are done. If there is any password compromise right here, Google is going to notify you, and what you need to do is to fix some of the password that have been compromised in your safe password in your Google account. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.